In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Google Sites effortlessly and creatively. Adding animations can really enhance your Google site by making it more interactive and visually appealing. So let's dive into the process step by step, keeping it as straightforward as possible. First, we need to head over to the Lottie platform. Lottie is a fantastic place that provides a plethora of animations which you can use free of charge. Once you are on the Lottie platform, look for the free community animations section. Click on view more to explore a wider range of options. This will open up various animations that you can choose from. Take your time to browse through and select an animation that fits the theme or message of your site. After picking an animation, click on Save to Workspace. This is an essential step as it saves the animation to your account, making it accessible for embedding into your Google Sites. Once you've saved the animation, it's time to hit the Embed HTML option. By doing this, you'll be presented with an HTML code, which is crucial for the next steps. Go ahead and click on the copy icon to copy this embed code. Now it's time to switch over to your Google site. Make sure you're logged in and have edit access to the site where you want to add your animation. Once there, locate and click on the embed option. This is usually found in the toolbar alongside other tools like text and images. It will allow you to integrate external elements like our animation into the site. Next, choose the embed code option. In this section, you'll see a text box where you can paste the HTML code you copied earlier from Lottie Files. Carefully paste the code here, ensuring there are no missing parts or extra spaces that could affect its functionality. Once the code is in place, click on Next. This will show a preview of the embedded animation on your Google site, giving you a chance to see how it looks before finalizing. Finally, click on the Insert button to add the animation to your site. Adjust its placement and size according to your site's layout. You can drag it to where you think it fits best, making sure it complements your design. This will help ensure that the animation looks polished and professional on your web page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a captivating animation to your Google site. It's a great way to engage visitors and make your site more dynamic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different animations and placements. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.